What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Kyosho Fazer Mk2 2021 Tundra brushless. Today I'm doing another speed test on it. I don't think I should keep doing it, pushing it though. So this thing going. I got a little straight. Last time I had this out, I crashed it. Let's just hope that don't happen again. Try to let the battery warm up, because this battery ain't going nowhere, so I can let it warm up real quick. Do some drifts, then I'm gonna get into the speed test. Not worrying about draining the battery. Yeah, she nice and straight though. That's not even half throttle. All right, let's get into that speed test. Yeah, I hear that drive shaft. She really can't take that kind of speed. Yeah, I gotta take it easy on it. Yeah, I can't full throttle it. Definitely can't full throttle. Let me check that speed real quick, see what that was. Oh wow, that was 49 miles an hour. It can get more, but I don't trust these gears, so I'm not going to push it. Just drift around a little bit. It's cold. Yeah, 3S do not agree with these gears and that plastic drive shaft, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, I'm gonna have to upgrade this before I push it. I'm gonna have to upgrade these gears. The most I would put on this is 2S. 3S is way too much. It's stable, it can handle it, it's just the gears cannot handle it. The gears cannot handle that. Whoa. Tell other Challenger I got upgraded everything because I could hammer on it. If you can't hammer on this, probably on 2S you can hammer on it a little bit, just a little bit. This car is awesome though. Kyosho do a good job on these cars. They're not the strongest, but they are pretty. They can do its thing though, as long as you don't abuse it. Can't handle high speeds though. Better than some other car I know. Let me check that last speed, my bash around speed. Then I'm gonna close it out. Yeah, it was 37 miles an hour. But that's as good as you should be able to do with them gears in there, 37. That's pushing it with them gears they got in there. But it was still having a hard time on 37 miles an hour, hitting 37 miles an hour. So next time I pull this out, I'm gonna upgrade the gear and the center drive shaft. That's what needed. But as always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe. And I'm out.